If you want to install an iOS launcher or iPhone theme on Google Pixel 11 Pro, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store, and then you can search for iOS launcher. So I'm going to use the search option here. There we go, and we can just type iOS launcher, iPhone launcher, iOS theme, iPhone theme, and so on and so forth. Any of these phrases. Now in here you can find a bunch of different iOS launchers, so you can just try to use any of them and see if you like it or not. If you don't like it, you can uninstall it and then you can get a different one. So once we have the launcher, once we choose something, of course you want to install it, and then we will have to set it up. So in my case I'm gonna use this one, but like I said, feel free to try anything else from that list of launchers. And let's open it. So it is also possible that you will see ads in the meantime. So in here, once we open the app, in my case I need to grant the permission for the location, although it is not really necessary to do so, so I'm just gonna tap on no. And I'm gonna allow the access to contacts, there we go, and to photos and videos. Now, in here, I think the quite important part is to change the default launcher. So here we have this option, make default launcher. Now let me skip this ad. Then I'm gonna press OK, and I should be redirected to the default home app selection. And of course, we want to switch from Pixel app to iOS launcher, and then confirm that you want to change. And you want to do this to make sure that whenever you go to the home screen, whenever you try to open the home screen, then this launcher is going to be opened instead of the standard Pixel launcher. So tap and got it over here, and there we go, we have our iOS launcher. You can still, of course, go to the app over here, so you should be able to find iOS launcher app, and you should be able to make some changes. There are a bunch of different settings. Here we have the app library as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.